Hello trader. Innovative EA Expert Advisor trading results for 1 week. Previously, I had backtested Innovative EA's Expert Advisor for 1 year from August 2021 to August 2022 at pair Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. With 99% data modeling backtest quality. Get great results. And in the previous video I have also provided a download link for the Innovative EA Expert Advisor for free. If you haven't watched EA's Innovative Backtest video, you can watch it first. Or you can continue this video with a backtest review as follows. For backtest results, the default pair is Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. For the result of backtest preset custom pair Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. For custom backtest presets, I have shared the settings in the previous video. In this video I will show you the results of live trading that has been running for 1 week from August 15, 2022 until the time this video was made on August 21, 2022. I run on a standard account BrokerXness and a zero spread BrokerXness account. If you want to register, I have provided a list link in the description column. Not only Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pairs, but I run Innovative EA Expert Advisors on Australian dollar to Swiss franc, Euro to Australian dollar, Euro to Canadian dollar, Euro to Pound Sterling to Australian dollar and Pound Sterling to Swiss franc pairs. Why do I run the Innovative EA Expert Advisor on multiple pairs at once? Before switching to a real account, I tried to observe which pairs could generate optimal profits. Of the pair that produces the optimal profit, the pair that I decided to run on the real account. Of course, the audience here has their own way of determining the pair that you think is suitable to run on a real account. I just share a few ways that I do. Can be imitated or not, back again to the decision of each. Okay, I think that's enough opening the video. Let's see directly the results of his live trading. One. Trial Innovative EA Zero Spread. Testing. Here I start with a capital of $100. Here we see a loss of $10.08. Later we will see what losses are in the pair. Australian dollar to Canadian dollar zero spread. Get a profit of $7.74 with transaction details as follows. Here a fee is charged for every buy and sell transaction that is taken. But for setting a limit order, of course, there is no charge. Australian dollar to Swiss franc zero spread. Earn a profit of $5.67. Euro to Australian dollar zero spread. Earn a profit of $6.72. Euro to Canadian dollar zero spread. Earn 74-cent profit. Euro to Pound Sterling zero spread. Earn $1.08 profit. Pound Sterling to Australian dollar zero spread. Here get a loss of $32. With transaction details which you can see here. Later we will also compare it with the standard account. Pound Sterling to Swiss franc zero spread. Earn 71-cent profit. 2. Trial innovative EA standard account. There is a loss of $22. Let's check the losses in what pair. Australian dollar to Canadian dollar standard account. Earn $3.83 profit. Australian dollar to Swiss franc standard account. Earn a loss of $5.76. Euro to Australian dollar standard account. Get a loss of $12.99. Euro to Canadian dollar standard account. Earn $1.29 profit. Euro to pound sterling standard account. Earn $1.59 profit. Pound sterling to Australian dollar standard account. Earn a loss of $10.23. Okay, then we summarize the comparison of zero spread accounts and standard accounts. 3. Summary. The following is a summary of the results of the zero spread account and the standard account. Can be seen here. The previous backtest used the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pair. In live trading, get profit on both accounts. Zero spread account earns $7.74 profit and on standard account earns $3.83 profit. And for other pairs, you can consider first. Later I will summarize it again after a month. Don't forget to click the bell button to get further information updates. Also watch other videos and get free expert advisors that are suitable for you. Thanks for watching till the end.